It's NAB 2022 and we're on the Apantac stand and we're doing a number of videos with Apantac, so do check those out on our playlist. I'm joined as always by Thomas Tang. Hi Thomas, good to see you again.
Good to see you.
So Thomas, on this area we're looking at KVM over IP.
Yes.
Tell us what's new this year at NAB.
So we're showing a bunch of different functionalities. I think in our last video we talked about our transmitters being the open gear platform, right?
Yeah.
That's something that's definitely new. And what we're demonstrating here is KVM over IP. It's over a single gigabit Ethernet.
Okay.
We support dual screens as well as single screen remote stations. And at the same time, we also support a video wall functionality in the KVM. So you can actually build your output onto a video wall.
Okay.
Yeah, and it's an irregular video wall too, so.
And how are your customers using KVM over IP?
Well, so the advantage of KVM over IP is that you can, slowly build up your system.
Yeah.
And also at the same time, you could really have any input to any output and increase the transmitter points or the destination. So that's really, you could build your system over time.
Yeah.
There's so many different applications, right? So anywhere from control rooms to factory automations to aviation to really the application's almost endless.
Yeah, absolutely. Now Apantac are well known for multi-views, and I'm seeing one just down there. Should we go and take a look at that?
Oh yeah. So what we're showing here, because as you said, Apantac is known for its multi-viewers. So here we have an 8-input multi-viewer, and all have KVM functionality in it. So each one of these windows represents a different computer.
Right, okay.
And we can hover our mouse over it and control every one of them. But what's, again, it's very unique here is not just computer images, right? As we build the multi-viewer, we have different type of graphics, clocks, labeling to identify the entire screen. So it's ideal for a command control type of a situation.
Cool, fantastic. And is this available now? Of course it is.
Of course it is available now.
Question.
Yes, it's available now.
So let's talk manufacturing now, because a lot of manufacturers in the last 2 years especially have had supply chain issues. How's that been affecting Apantac?
It has not affected us very much.
Okay.
So we've been...
Okay. That's how I started going.
Okay. Let's do it again.
It was really good, wasn't it?
Yeah. So talk about the supply chain issues. Yeah.
Fantastic. So Thomas, a lot of manufacturers over the last 2 years or so have been experiencing supply chain issues, of course, with the pandemic and so on. How's that affected Apantac?
It really hasn't affected us a lot. So by not coming to the trade show for 2 years, we saved ourselves some money. And we're now, and even 2 years ago, that we know this was coming. So we have been really carefully managing our parts. But having said that, there are some supply chain issues, but most of our products are on regular delivery.
Fantastic. And of course, everything's available now, isn't it?
It is available now, so give us an order.
And where can people find out more?
www.apantac.com.
Brilliant, thank you Thomas. Check everything out, and the other 3 videos that we've been doing at Apantac are on our playlist for NAB. Of course, don't go to apantac.com. And for everything else we've been doing at NAB, that's at KITPLUS.com.